Today we're going to take a look at Stampin' Up's new packaging for their stamp sets and for their die sets. So they have these very sleek new pockets. They're very thin, as you can see, and they hold, of course, the stamp set here, and this one holds the dies. So they're basically the same exact size. And I'm going to share some tips with you that I found as I was organizing my stamps and my dies with this new packaging. So I hope these tips will be helpful for you. So first, let's take a look at the stamp set. So you can see that it comes in a clear case, and the stamp set is inside this little plastic sleeve. And I like to have my images stamped on the inside of the cases that I store my stamp sets. So with the old cases, Stampin' Up had those printed on there. But with the new cases, you have to do this yourself. So I'm going to show you how I took the stamp set and created the images, created this design right on the inside of this case. That way, as I'm putting away my stamps, I know exactly which ones are missing, or I know exactly where they go. So the first thing I did is I cut a 5 by 8.5 inch piece of white cardstock. So we are going to take the stamp set as it comes, so don't move any of the stamps, and you're going to peel off the very thin layer of plastic. So the stamps are mounted to a thicker piece of plastic and just a very thin one. So you want to peel off that thin one. And then what you want to do is you want to find some type of ink to use. I'm going to use Early Espresso ink. You could use Memento ink or StazOn ink, whatever you want to use. And we're going to ink these images up right as they are on this little plastic sheet. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you have the images inked up, then you simply flip this over and you lay it on your paper, and then just push down on the plastic piece that holds the stamp images. And by doing that, you will transfer all of the images to that piece of white cardstock. And then, of course, you can just go ahead and clean the stamps and replace that top plastic piece. And so now when you lay your stamps down, you can see that they perfectly match the image that you stamped on that white cardstock. So now let's go ahead and adhere that white cardstock to the insert that comes inside the sleeve. So now you have your images on the inside of this insert. You also have them on the outside. And now you can use the one on the inside here just to line up your stamps when you're cleaning them up to put them away. And so we'll put this back inside our plastic sleeve. So now let's talk about the dies. So the dies come in the same size plastic sleeve as the stamp set. And of course, everything is printed on this little insert that is inside this plastic sleeve. And so what I like to do is I like to have my dies adhered to a little magnet sheet. So I use the magnetic sheets from Marietta Magnetics. You can find them on Amazon. But what you need is just a sheet that will fit inside this insert insert. So the magnetic sheet is 5 by 7, and it already has adhesive on it. So I just peel that off and adhere the magnet sheet right to this little insert. Then I can take all my dies off that tape and I can add them right to this magnetic sheet. And so they all fit perfectly on here, and they're easy to take on and off. And then you can put this back inside the plastic sleeve and you have your dies organized with a little magnetic sheet. However, I like to keep my dies and my stamp set together. So the nice thing about these plastic sleeves is I can fit my stamp set on the one side, and then I can take the coordinating die set and I can slide it right into the back of the sleeve, and I can have my dies and my stamp set in the exact same sleeve. So they're both together and I don't have to go searching for them. So I can see the images of my stamp set on the front of this plastic sleeve. And when I flip it over, I can see the images for the die set on the back of this plastic sleeve. So I hope these tips were helpful for you as you just learn how to organize your craft space with Stampin' Up's new packaging for their stamp and die sets.